Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today I will convey my research with the title is Fashion Image Classification Literature Review. I am the first author and also the corresponding author. I am work not alone. I have a partner. My partner is Mrs. Elizabeth Pascalia Gunawan. This research has been presented on the UMM Hotel at Malang on the Wednesday 9 October 2024. Now we still waiting from the AIEP for the publication to the Scopus. So the fashion image classification is under of computer vision, especially in classification research field. Why the fashion image classification so important is because it can give the benefit not only for the society, also for the market or the industries. For the society, the user can have new experience like the recommendation fashion that more appropriate with the special for each individual. Also for the sellers, it can give the important information which one the fashion that best seller in the market, and industries can make strategy how much they will produce and the future what they will sell for the fashion product. And also the fashion image classification can improve in the automatic image fashion tagging, or maybe improve the capability for fashion image search, especially in fashion. If we looking for the research relate about the fashion image classification in Scopus, you will get the so many paper. So this is the our key finding way we deliver the way we propose the literature review of fashion recognition is we want to discuss, we want to summarize the two of key finding. The first one relate about the research question is what is the data set, especially for fashion image classification, that mostly used in recent research? And the key finding number two is what is the model architecture that have been proposed for fashion image classification in recent years? Yes, of course, we cannot starting the research without the literature review process. So the research methodology that we implement is we looking for the research paper from the Scopus portal. From the Scopus, we find the paper using the keyword of fashion recognition, and we got 2000 paper where the paper is mixed between the resource from the conference and also from the journal. Of course, after we get the 2000 paper from the Scopus, we don't use it all, we still filter it. The criteria is we only choose the paper that come from the journal source, not the conference. And after that, we also filter it again. We choose the paper that only open access, and we exclude the several paper that not open access. And after that, we do the screening process by reading from the title and only choose the paper that contain the keyword something fashion and something classification, and it can reduce the number of paper, and it left 20 paper. And after that, we filter it again by reading on the abstract, and we only choose 17 paper that really appropriate with to support our research. According to the 17 paper that we use as best state of the art, now we can summarize, and we want to inform the key finding number one, where the research question is what is the fashion image dataset that commonly used in recent research, especially in the rank on 221 until 223. We found that in the 221 we found two paper journal that propose fashion MNIST as the dataset for fashion image classification, and the next year in the 222 also we found two researchers propose the fashion image classification using the fashion MNIST as base dataset. And in the 223 we found four papers from the different researcher that propose also using the fashion MNIST dataset as base the dataset. If we see the different point of view, there is so many dataset, especially for fashion image, that we can see there is so many opportunity to make an research using the combination of different dataset. Maybe we can use the DARN, or maybe using the division 2, and so on. So in our literature review research paper, we also provide the detailed name of dataset that we collect from the research paper, where the paper is about fashion classification in recent research from 221 and until 223. As you can see, the dataset that is used in the recent research, several dataset is from the 220, and there is also have the newest dataset that published in the year of 223. And we also give the detail of number of image for each dataset. It is very vary, where the dataset is contain more than 100 until 1 million. Besides that, we also give the resolution detail information for each dataset, and we found that the MNIST dataset has a criteria like the resolution is small, and also the color is only provide grayscale. Now I will show to you the sample fashion image that we pick up from the fashion product dataset. This dataset has 5 categories. The sample image clothing number 1 is the clothing that has label as boy. The second one is clothing that have label as man. The third is the clothing fashion that has label as unisex, and the fourth is cloth that has label as girls, and the last is fashion that has a label as woman. Now we come to the research question number 2, where the key finding is discussed about the what is architecture category that have been proposed in the recent research. And the fact found that in 221 we got 5 research paper is using the multi-architecture. And the next research, there is on several paper that propose on multi-architecture with vision transformer, and then maybe the several researcher using the single architecture, and several researcher using the multi-architecture but with the combination of triple network. All of this, the solution is used to solve the problem to increase the accuracy of fashion image classification. In our literature review paper, we also provide the detail of the model algorithm that have been used to support the tasks related about the fashion image classification. We give the detailed information like what is dataset that have been used, research years, model algorithm, The model architecture is categorized as single architecture, multi-architecture, or maybe using the multi-architecture with vision transformer and so on. We also provide the detailed accuracy of each model according to the dataset. And the last our presentation, I want to draw several conclude according to our research paper that we've been collect from the 221 until 223. We found that we have been informed the two key finding. The number one is the what is dataset that mostly used, and we found there is two dataset that familiar proposed by the researcher, like the fashion product image dataset and fashion MNIST dataset. The fashion product image dataset has categories, has specific where the image is colorful, and compared with the fashion MNIST dataset only provide the image with the small resolution, and also the color is only grayscale. And the second research question also we have been discussed related about the what is model architecture that commonly used, and we found that in the recent research the vision transformer architecture is used and give the out of perform, with the score on the test is can reach 98.76% by using the fashion product image dataset as reference. So for my last word, I want to inform special thankful for the Bina Nusantara University that have been funded my research that start from the yearly of 224 and will ended on the last year of 224. And for the community, or if you have same interest with me, relate about my research that cover electronic, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can find the detail of my information from this my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn privately about what is electronic, how the electronic works, how the Internet of Things works, or maybe how to develop the artificial intelligence, you can contact me. Maybe we can learn together, we can sharing, because I am live at Malang, so maybe we can meet direct, and in the future maybe we can collaborate. And I am not limit my research field only in computer limited, but maybe we can collaborate if you from the different basic that not maybe strictly far from my research. Don't worry, we will find the bridge to make the collaboration. And this is my last word. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.